Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I moisturize and then seal my relaxed hair using aloe vera juice with my magic hair growth oil. Okay, the secret on the magic hair growth oil will be shared soon, but today I'm just going to be showing you how I apply the aloe vera juice on my hair and then the magic oil also. So here is me showing you the length of my hair and then the shade I had during my braids. As you can see, everything is growing back gradually. So I'm going to be separating my hair into 4 places. I like to partition my hair into 4 places when applying stuff to my hair for easy management. So let me just quickly give us some of the work of aloe vera. So aloe vera helps promote hair growth. It also calms an itchy scalp. So if you have issues with itching, it is very good. I will recommend you to apply aloe vera on your scalp. Just massage it very well. You're not supposed to scrub your hair. Just use the pad of your finger, not the tip, the pad of your finger, and then you massage it very well. You massage your scalp and you run your hand through your strands so that every of the strands will get aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice will enter each and every of the strands there. So also aloe vera cleanses oily hair. It also balances hair pH. It strengthens and repair hair strands, like I said earlier. It also conditions hair and make it shine. Just try it. Anytime you apply aloe vera on your hair, check it out. If you do it consistently, you will see an improvement in your hair. You see your hair will be shinier than before. And then it reduces dandruff. Of course, if it stops itchy, definitely it will reduce dandruff. So aloe vera prevents dandruff also, and it helps moisturize your hair. It reduces frizziness. Aloe vera is good for all hair type. So forget about what kind of hair you have, either 4A, 4B, 4C, 3C, whatever type of hair you have. Aloe vera is good for it. Hair relaxed or natural hair, aloe vera is good for your hair. So one of the key to full, long, healthy hair is moisturizing your hair regularly with a water-based hydrator and following it up with oil, a good oil, especially the ends of your hair. So that's the key. Trust me, when I adopted this hydrating method, my hair bounced, like it grew very well, and it was stronger, and then it was fuller than even what I expected. So it is very important when you want to grow your hair. Moisturize your hair regularly with water-based moisturizer. These 2 steps locks in moisture, bringing back strength and then glossiness to the neglected part of your hair. So when you do this regularly, all those dry ends, split ends, they will stop, and then your hair will change. Moisturizing and sealing is best done at night before bed. Before bedtime. So this time gives the product or whatever things you are using, whatever you are putting on your hair, so it gives it the time and chance to work its magic without having to fight evaporation or manipulation that occur during the day. So remember, anytime you want to moisturize your hair, either natural hair or relaxed hair, make sure you use a water-based moisturizer. That's the key. And use very good oil. We have numbers of oil that are good for hair. We have coconut oil, avocado oil, fenugreek oil, a lot. So I can't really say this is the number of time I moisturize my hair in a week or in a month. All I know is anytime I feel like, okay, this hair needs moisturizing, I moisturize it. So that's the way it works. Just understand your hair and know when to do what to eat. But let me just say, once in a week is enough. It depends on how well you expose your hair to sunlight. So I can say once or twice in a week, rather. Once or twice in a week is okay. For me, sometimes once, sometimes twice in a week, I moisturize it. So guys, that is it for today. If you've learned one or two things from today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Help your girl. And okay, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first to see. New updates are coming. Tips on how you can grow your hair long. I'm also working on it. I don't mind if I can grow my hair to waist length. Okay, we can do this together. We are family. So I need you to support me, share the video, comment if you have any question, and then see you in my next video. Bye.